Alright, taking out this old Miller unit. I already started ripping shit apart. You can see it was old. It had a freaking relay for the AC system. But I'm struggling getting the roof jack up. So I figured I'll jump on other things for now, get the coil out. And once I start getting all that out, I can start beating the crap out of that again. So I do not like Miller units. They're easy but not fun. I had to take this off and cut the heat exchanger because it was rusted solid inside of that. The exhaust couldn't even get it off. So that was fun, but now that I got that out, I can freaking continue working. Gotta cut that, pull that out, but yeah, this was the big thing. One out of like 4 I gotta do this on, because there's just no way of getting it out without cutting something. All right, we got this guy in the drop cloth here, all ripped out. Luckily, the door's right there. We got the opening right there. Exhaust is up there. But yeah, just gotta clean it in there a little bit, bring the new unit in. Electrical and wires there. That's the rest of the stuff, if the camera will cooperate, is right in the hole there, all taped up, so I don't get anything in the line set. Gas pipe goes right down that. So yeah, once we clean that up, get the new unit in, it's just reattach everything, test it out, go from there. Hopefully I won't have to go into the house. I can just get the gas line right back in. Okay, new guys in. I got the jack on. I do that first just so I know everything's lined up. I got it lined up out of the hole. So now I just gotta put this coil in, which is pretty straightforward. Just goes right over here in the little box that it is built with. And this guy slides in just like that. So now that I have that in, I can put the gas back in, pull the lines through, drain through, all that fun stuff. Then put that door on, and then it's just mechanicals. So I got the gas, which usually is just the same setup. The electrical, which is all right there. And yeah, that's it. So slowly but surely coming together. Hard part's done. All right, so that is all done. So, but we had an issue with the thermostat because the homeowner got one of these for free. Fucking trash. So we're putting a Honeywell T4 on the wall, and that should fix the problem with that thing not working. But other than that, we are all done and good to go. Just got to put the door on and roll out. So, haha. Thought I'd jump out here while the gauges are still on. But here's our outdoor unit, looking nice, pretty. Had the rocks already set up, so didn't have to do much. Just had to put a pad and level it. And I got my nice gauges. Freaking love those things. Freaking Testo. They are nice. But yeah, we are all good. Everything's running. Just checking the heat now. So, till the next one. Look at that. That's beautiful. Yeah. Nice hose right there.